CFD engineers who are looking to learn CFD simulation for academic projects can benefit greatly from a subscription to Master CFD's learning product. This type of subscription offers a significant discount on the price of the learning products and includes a fantastic technical support. With the learning product subscription, CFD engineers can access a wide range of academic learning products, including tutorials that are designed to help them develop the skills and knowledge they need to perform CFD simulations effectively. These learning products cover a variety of topics, including all engineering fields, ANSYS Fluent modules, different flow regimes, and more, that are suitable for both beginners and experienced CFD engineers. In addition, with this subscription, CFD engineers can benefit from Master CFD's technical support, which is provided by a team of experienced CFD professionals. This support can help engineers to overcome any challenges they may encounter during the learning process and can provide valuable insights and recommendations to help them optimize their simulations. Overall, this subscription to Master CFD's learning products is a great option for CFD engineers who are looking to learn CFD simulation for academic projects. Here is the table for a 3-month subscription for the learning products existing in the CFD shop for students who want to be Master CFD members. To learn more about this service, you can contact Master CFD via email or WhatsApp.